The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is a flagship smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with robust performance features. It boasts a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1400 by 3200 pixels, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, ensuring durability and clarity. Under the hood, it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, providing a smooth and responsive user experience. The device is equipped with a quad-camera setup on the rear, featuring a 200MP main sensor, complemented by 12MP, 8MP, and 2MP lenses, while the front houses a 32MP selfie camera, catering to photography enthusiasts. Running on Android 13, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is fueled by a 5000 mAh battery, supporting fast charging, ensuring extended usage without frequent recharging. Additional features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, IP69 certification for water and dust resistance, and a 3.5mm audio jack for versatile connectivity. Priced at approximately 59,990 Indian rupees in India, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G aims to deliver a premium smartphone experience.